The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Weakley County in West Tennessee, northern Gibson County in West Tennessee, eastern Obion County in West Tennessee, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dyer, or 9 miles northwest of Trenton, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dyer, Grizzard, South Fulton, Dresden, Mount Pelia, Good Luck, Latham, Ruthville, Sharon, Ralston, Schaffner, Rutherford, Brundig, Terrell, Curry, Pisgah, Reeves, Barron's Corner, Tyson Store, and Georgetown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight Central Daylight Time for West Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Tennessee: Gibson, Obion, and Weakley.